What's going on, everyone out there in the YouTube world? It's GC3 here, another video for you. This, I'm gonna get right to it. This is my custom TNA Relic figure. I don't know if y'all remember this guy. He was only there for, I don't know, maybe a year or two in TNA. But this is a very simple figure to make. You might notice, yes, both of his arms are a little different. Is the regular, well, first off, this whole body right here is the John Cena, whenever he debuted on SmackDown with Kurt Angle. This is that figure right there. I switched out his boots because I know he had red and black boots. I used them on a different figure. So I put in just regular black boots as what the gimmick Relic had. And the arm, I actually had to switch it with another arm because for some reason, because this was messed up pretty bad, so I switched this to something close. I do have another arm. I can just swap it over, no big deal. So that's an easy fix. So my bad on that, guys. This is a Daniel Bryan arm. The rest is all John Cena. Okay, you can see the difference because Daniel Bryan is not as big as John Cena because John Cena works out all the time. Anyways, this right here is his kilt, I guess, is from my, I have two Raven figures. The TNA Raven figures. One of them, I had used them for a custom, my own personal custom. I don't remember which one it was. It's been so long. But I had two kilts. So the other one, I just used it for this guy. And it turned out pretty good. I just cut it. I cut slits here. Not all the way up though. But I cut slits right here, as you can see where I'm pointing to. All the way around. Nope. Hold on. Torso's turning. See, all the way around him. Now his kilt is a little bit banged up because of course I've been playing with it, but it actually fits the figure quite well. So I left it like that. Of course I just painted it silver around the edges of the kilt, all the way around, as y'all saw. And here, right here, this is where it actually notches on. Let me just get a zoom on that for y'all. See where it notches on here? Well, what I did to keep it on there forever is I super glued it with that with that super glue that I use. Not Gorilla Glue, okay? Not Gorilla Glue. The super glue that I used, that I always use actually, and I just glued it on. It's never gonna come off. And but the face, let's see if I can get a better footage of that face for y'all. The face, you see here, this mask, if y'all can remember it, this is the mask from Cody Rhodes when he wore that to protect his face, to protect his nose because of his dashing Cody Rhodes gimmick. And I just painted it somewhat similar to how Relic has it, and I added my own creation, of course. This is all John Cena head, the all John Cena figure. And of course, you're not going to tell the difference, but it looks like Relic. Now, I had to put a few coats on the actual mask itself. Let's see if I can get a better, come on, focus. There you go. Oh, perfect. And there you go. As you see right here, I just colored around his eyes, colored it black, to make him look a bit more evil. I was going to put him a goatee, but I decided not to. I decided to just leave him like this. But everything is painted on the mask, which took a while, but no big deal. This is my custom Relic figure from TNA, and I wanted to show you this figure. I made a video a few years back with all of my customs together. Well, just for y'all, guys, I do appreciate the subs. Thank y'all so much. I'm going to do each figure again for y'all, and do its own video, and that way y'all can see what I have. But I appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video, y'all. Peace.